before supper. We're super excited for this. We haven't had this in a very long time, so we're super excited. Basically, what we have done is we have ground chicken instead of ground beef because I can't pound beef. So we have ground chicken in our muffin trays. We only have a pound, so the recipe normally does call for 2 pounds. We only have a pound though because it's just me and hubby in this tonight. And what we did is we seasoned the meat. So we have garlic on there, onion powder on there. We have salt and pepper. Did you put anything else on there? And salt and pepper, okay? And then we put it in the tray, so it's like out of a bowl. Pretty cool, right? And that's what we've done before the video. And we shredded up some mozzarella cheese, and we cooked and chopped up some bacon. Now, this is like really easy to make, okay? Really simple. You take the bowl of mozzarella cheese, okay? You take the crushed up bacon, okay? We cooked it, chopped it up. Okay, is what we did. You sprinkle it in. You're going to mix it all kind of like together, okay? I swear my hands are clean. I'm only cooking for my family. It's just me and hubby eating this. Okay? And you mix this in the bowl. Okay, now you take this mixture that is bacon and cheese and you put it inside the bowl. So we are going to top these bowls up like full, guys. I'm talking full. We're stuffing them full of cheese and bacon. Okay, and then once you have these bowls filled, okay, almost done here, one more to go. Okay, once they're full, you then put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 and boom, you got yourself some burger bowls. What we are doing is we're going to dip them in ranch sauce. The homemade ranch sauce, low-carb ranch sauce, is actually with the last month's event that we did was barbecue. If you actually search in this group, if you're on your phone, it's a little magnifying glass, or if you're on the computer, it's on the left-hand side, and you just search ranch dressing. The entire recipe of the ranch dressing will come up. And that's what we're going to dip it in, okay? So we're going to put it in the oven, okay? I'm going to top mine with a little bit of ranch, and I'm also going to dip it in ranch because I'm, like, in the mood for ranch today. And then that's it. That's all you need. That's all you need. Okay, if you want to pickle with it, put a pickle on top when it comes out of the oven. That's basically your little burger bowl. Pretty cool, right? Well, that is our video for today. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we will see you guys later.